Chapter 1. Our Universe. Let's learn. The universe, the solar system, the sun, the planets, the moon. The universe is unimaginably and infinitely big. Everything that we can and cannot see exists within the universe. It consists of galaxies, planets, stars, meteorites, satellites, and many other things. InfoHive, an estimated 100 billion stars are there in our galaxy, the Milky Way. It is believed that the universe was born out of a huge explosion called the Big Bang many years ago. At the time of Big Bang, things in the universe were hot and tightly packed. After the explosion, the universe started expanding. All the things began to cool down, which led to the formation of stars, planets, solar systems, galaxies, and various other celestial bodies. InfoHive. Light from the sun reaches the earth in around 8 minutes. The solar system. The solar system is made up of all the planets and other celestial bodies that move around the sun. In addition to planets, the solar system also consists of moons, comets, asteroids, minor planets, dust, and gas. Due to the gravitational pull of the sun, everything in the solar system moves around the sun in their fixed paths. These fixed paths are called orbits. The sun. The sun is by far the largest object in the solar system. It contains more than 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. The sun is a huge ball of gases. It is situated in the center of the solar system. It is the star closest to the earth. It appears so bright because it is very near to the earth. We get heat and light from the sun. It is the only body in the solar system which has its own light. Brain tickler. If the sun became hotter, how will it affect life on the earth? Planet. Our solar system has 8 planets circling around the sun. According to their distance from the sun, the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Planets only shine by the reflected light of the sun. They revolve around the sun in their fixed elliptical orbits. This movement of planets around the sun is called revolution. The planets also rotate on their axis. This movement is called rotation. The Earth is called a unique planet as it is the only known planet in our solar system on which life exists. It is called the blue planet. Difference between a star and a planet. Star, planet. A star gives out light. A planet only shines by the reflected light of the sun. A star is larger than a planet. Planets are smaller that appear larger as they are closer to the earth. A star twinkles. A planet does not twinkle. InfoHive. Some stars together form patterns which look like shapes of animals, people, or things. These are called constellations. For example, Great Bear or Saptarishi. The moon. The moon is also a celestial body or a part of the solar system. It is the only natural satellite of the earth. It is smaller in size in comparison with the earth and completes one revolution of the Earth in 27.5 days. The moon does not have its own heat or light. It shines as it reflects the light of the sun that falls on it. The moon appears to change its shape. These changes are known as the phases of the moon. Info Hive. Jupiter's moon, Ganymede, is the biggest moon in our solar system. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, the American astronauts, were the first to set foot on the moon on July 20, 1969. Recap. The universe means everything that exists. The sun is a huge ball of gases. The planets shine and reflect the sun's light. Our Earth is the third farthest planet from the sun. The moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Life skills.
What are you doing, Neha?
Hi Preeti, I am looking into space with the help of this telescope.
Do you want to go to space when you grow up?
Yes, I want to be an astronaut and want to know about other planets.
Aim for the stars. You will certainly reach the sky. Values for life. Our Earth is the only living planet in our solar system. Let us try and keep it healthy and alive.